Welcome back to Inspire Tech for another video of the latest innovations in smart home technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eufy Smart Lock C33, the perfect blend of security, convenience, and style. The Eufy Smart Lock C33 offers keyless entry with multiple access methods. Whether it's through your smartphone, the keypad, or a traditional key, unlocking your door has never been easier or more secure. With the Eufy Security app, you can unlock your door with just a tap, no matter where you are. Grant temporary or permanent access to family members, guests, or service providers, and get notifications whenever someone enters your home. The sleek backlit keypad allows you to create up to 20 different access codes. It's perfect for when you don't have your phone on hand or need to share access with someone. Need something even faster? The C33 also features a fingerprint scanner, unlocking your door in just 0.3 seconds. It's one of the fastest and most secure ways to get inside your home. Built to withstand the elements, the Eufy Smart Lock C33 is weatherproof, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, or shine. With an IP65 rating, you can count on it to protect your home in any condition. Security is paramount with the C33. It features a heavy-duty zinc alloy body and a bank-grade AES 128-bit encryption system, making it virtually impossible to hack. Plus, with auto-lock functionality, you'll never have to worry about forgetting to secure your door. The C33 is powered by a long-lasting battery that can go up to a year on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the lock sends you a notification, so you're never caught off guard. Whether you're coming home with groceries, letting the kids in after school, or welcoming guests, the Eufy Smart Lock C33 adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. The Eufy Smart Lock C33 is more than just a lock. It's a smarter way to secure your home. If you're ready to elevate your home security, this is the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Inspire.